Okay, so I guess I was doing this wrong. I don't know. So I'm connected to number 1 out of 4. But I thought this was like, I don't know. For some reason, I thought this was where you were supposed to connect. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. So I basically had this hooked up to whatever IDRAC is, which is not an internet connection. I guess I just really don't understand how these things work. But 1, 2, 3, 4, and I noticed it was showing, oh, you don't have anything here. Okay, so I screwed up on the Linux Ubuntu because I had it hooked over here, and so anyway, right now we're installing CentOS, and it was downloading packages. So there's just so much to learn here, man. Tons and tons and tons to learn. Like, I've never done this before. I just got this thing the other day, so it's a little bit tricky. It doesn't really like to install from what they call life something or other. Anyway, I don't know how long this is going to take, but I'm basically wiped out. I don't want to sit here anymore. I had to figure out a couple of things too. You don't necessarily have to format the hard drive, but like you have to go in and kind of enable them. Like they weren't showing up. So basically, as far as I understand this, there's a virtual controller that controls all these, or something like that. Anyway, so that wasn't set right or something. I don't know, but it wasn't detecting them. So anyway, this is going to take probably quite a while. And I've never used CentOS. I don't know. I think it's kind of a form of Red Hat, but I'm not sure. All right, we got it up and running. It looks like we will not have to. Oh no, we will. Okay. Okay. So I guess this is my server. I don't know what to do with it. Okay, so let me see what we got here. Updates ready to install. Update. So this is cool. I don't even have to do the GUI. Something went wrong. Details. Okay. So what do we got here? I don't know. It doesn't really look like server software to me. Network. I'm not really sure what we got here. The 23 gigabytes. I don't know what exactly. Um, okay. Alright, so anyway, we're going to deal with it later. I don't know exactly all the ins and outs of it, but it looks okay, but I think I'd rather probably install the Ubuntu server version. So we'll try that tomorrow, now that we know what we did wrong.